Hey, good morning, guys. So we're gonna take that old David Brown and over at the sawmill. Can't really see in the background, but we got a whole bunch of slabs and sawdust. So I got to try to loosen it up to see how I can cut it up, and we're gonna use a tractor to get some of that. Alrighty, let's see what we can do with this old girl. There we go. Now it's all loosened up. We can actually see something. Most of it just looks like sawdust. Got here, we knocked the mill off, but that's okay. There's some wood in here. We're gonna go through it, cut what's good, and then probably start a fire and burn the rest. Lots of scrap in here, so it's gonna be one thing we're gonna do. Look at that rain dripping down there. Get this all cleaned up. What a mess. Part I won the sawmill. Okay, guys, before we do that cleanup, we bought ourselves a Facebook marketplace 385 XPG. So that's a big girl right here. That's like 82 cc's probably, or 84 cc's. I ran it a little bit, not much, but it needs a, we're gonna go over it, clean it up, make sure everything's up to par. So we'll take some covers off and give it a check it out. It's a little bit faded, but she's still pretty good shape. I think it's 2000 by the serial number. I believe that's what that is. We'll see. Okay. First thing, check the filter. Cover's not bad. Filter's dirty. Look at it's doing what it's supposed to. Stopping the dirt. Inside here. Not bad. Looks like a new plug. Oh, plug is loose. Look at that. Wow. Good thing we checked that. See? You never know with somebody else's equipment. It does look like a fairly new plug, I think. This is a professional saw. This is for like bushwork and lots of log cutting and stuff. This is not like your little run out and trim some small twigs kind of chainsaw, for sure.
Decide you can get in a low back like this one or the high back.
I'll take the bar off and see, probably quite a bit of debris in there.
There's always going to be stuff in here because that's just the nature of the chain. Sawdust full constantly. Sprocket looks good. good, that looks good.
That's it. You want the chain tight, but you don't want it too tight because it puts extra stress on the bearing and the crank, so you don't need it super tight. No need, because the chain's gonna stretch. As the chain stretches, you tighten it up as you need to. Well, you might as well pull the side cover off. I don't. Well, we will, just in case.
I think it's been clean recently.
We'll give it a shot like that. All right. Got some kickback for sure. Look at that. Holy. A little bit of a cleanup. We'll finish the rest later. Here's a little garden update. There's the onions. They're doing well. Got to get in here and pull some more weeds though. The weeds just never stop growing. My goodness. Everywhere. And you got some carrots. Hard to tell with all the weeds, but carrots, carrots, carrots. The beans, well, they did not grow. This was all beans from here to here to here to there, and there's only a couple of spots that came out. The peppers, well, I guess they're growing. It's kind of early, but you can see a little pepper starting there. They're pretty shabby looking. Tomatoes are doing well, from what I can tell. They're growing. It's a good sign. I don't know if I should take these off or leave them on. If anybody knows, let me know. I pulled the suckers off between, but I don't know about the blossoms. And we got potatoes. I ran potatoes. They're all the way around here and all the way around the edge of the garden. You can see them over there, right there, all the way around. And there's cucumbers here, there, 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 there. We got cucumbers all through. This whole side is just cucumbers. So that's a little update. Okay, guys. Like and subscribe. Take care.